Hola! Did you know that pharmacology is derived from a Greek word pharmakon means drug and logos means study? The oldest writing of medicinal agent belong to the ancient India, closely followed by Chinese and Egyptian literature. First is the Ayurveda. It is the oldest system of medicine. Recommends herbal remedies and animal origin product for treatment of disease in man and animals. And the pioneers of Ayurveda are Charaka, Surata, and Vagbata. Next is Pinsao, the earliest written compilation of drug in China's herbal formulary, which written by Emperor Xingnong. The oldest record of Egyptian drug codification is Kahon Papyrus. On the other hand, Iber's Papyrus recommends herbal remedies and animal origin product for treatment of disease in man and animals. Hippocrates is a great physician and a great teacher of medicine, advocate little use of drug, maintain very high ethical standard practices, above all do no harm. He also attempted to treat diseases based on the four elements of nature, the water, air, fire, and earth. On the other hand, Aristotle gave scientific basis for medicine who recorded numerous observations on animals. Theopratus classified systematically medicinal herbs on the basis of their individual characteristics rather than their recommended use in treatment. Dioscurides wrote the first Materia Medica. Drugs were discussed from the standpoint of name, source identification, test, dosage form, what condition would be used. Gibir ibn Hajar, Persian writer that classified drug and poison of his time, and stated that the difference between drug and a poison was just a matter of dosage. Additionally, Valerius Cordus is a German person which compiled the first pharmacopoeia. On 17th and 18th centuries, drug trade follies in medical experiment began. Drug like Sencona, coffee, tea, cocoa, and many others. William Withering worked on the digitalis in the treatment of dropsy due to congested heart failure. Edward Jenner gave the principle of prophylactic immunization against smallpox and first described anaphylaxis. William Harvey discovered circulation of blood and indicated that drugs were distributed to the various parts via blood. Christopher Wren made the first intravenous injection in dog. Alexander Wood Friedrich Schortner isolated morphine from orpion and named it after the Roman god of sleep, Morpheus. Claude Bernard and James Blake. They established the foundation of modern pharmacology. They work on dose-response relationship, drug disposition and body mechanism of action of drug and structure-activity relationship. Rudolf Bochum established the first laboratory for pharmacology at University of Dorpat, Estonia. On the other hand, the father of pharmacology in USA is John J. Abel, established the Department of Pharmacology at the University of Michigan at Johns Hopkins University. In 20th century, the science of pharmacology flourished in the medical and pharmacy schools and focused on the leadership shift from Europe to US. And the science of pharmacology developed exponentially thereafter due to the emergence of organic chemistry. Thank you, adios!